Bowling alleys are not just venues. They're vibrant entertainment hubs where people come to laugh, compete, and create lasting memories. Whether it's a family night out, a birthday party, or a casual hangout with friends, bowling alleys offer something for everyone. But behind the scenes, there's a critical, often overlooked element that keeps this fun going: cash flow. Cash remains king here more than in almost any other retail environment. From paying for games and shoe rentals, grabbing snacks and drinks, to using arcade machines and tipping staff, cash dominates. And that's where the magic of an on-site ATM comes into play. It's not just a machine. It's a game changer for customer convenience, operational efficiency, and your bottom line. In today's video, we're diving deep into why bowling alleys thrive on cash, how an ATM boosts spending and loyalty, and what it takes to make this integration seamless and profitable. So let's get started and keep those pins falling and profits rising. Section 1. Spending patterns in leisure spaces. First, it's important to understand how spending habits inside bowling alleys and entertainment centers differ from typical retail stores. Bowling alleys operate in a unique leisure economy, and cash is a crucial currency here. Consider this: most arcade games still operate on quarters or tokens. Players can't swipe a card at every pinball machine or skee ball lane. This means if customers run out of cash, the fun stops. And so does your revenue stream. Beyond games, there's food and beverage. Many alleys offer concession stands or full bars where customers prefer paying cash. It's quick, easy, and sometimes preferred due to age restrictions or personal preference. Even for lane rentals and shoe hire, cash remains a dominant form of payment, especially for league nights and walk-ins. Many patrons bring cash specifically for tipping the staff, a critical revenue and morale booster. Now, imagine if a customer runs out of cash mid-visit and your alley doesn't have an ATM. Chances are they'll leave to find one, and you risk losing not just that sale, but additional impulse purchases. An on-site ATM eliminates this friction, enabling customers to instantly top up their cash without stepping outside. This convenience increases impulse buys, game time, and overall spend, making the ATM an essential part of the entertainment ecosystem. Section 2. Family-friendly revenue growth. Bowling alleys attract a truly diverse crowd, from young children enjoying their first arcade games to grandparents reliving their youth on the lanes. This multi-generational appeal makes cash accessibility even more critical. Many families come prepared with cash allowances for kids, a way to teach budgeting and keep arcade play controlled. Grandparents and older adults often prefer cash for ease and simplicity, avoiding digital payments that may feel cumbersome or insecure. By offering an on-site ATM, you're meeting the needs of all these groups, providing convenience. No need to run out to a nearby store or bank. Extended play. More cash means more games, food, and drinks purchased. Better customer satisfaction. Patrons stay longer and enjoy a seamless experience. Let's talk numbers. Studies show that venues with ATMs see an average increase of 15%-20% in on-site spending. More importantly, these gains compound over time as customers develop loyalty to venues that offer convenience and accessibility. And here's the kicker: installing an ATM is a low-cost, low-risk investment with rapid payback, especially when you consider how it complements other cash-heavy services like arcade games, snack bars, and birthday party packages. Section 3. Operational integration. Now, let's get practical. How do you integrate an ATM into your bowling alley without disrupting operations? The answer lies in smart placement and partnering with the right provider. Strategic placement. Near entrances for immediate access when customers arrive. Beside snack bars or concession stands where cash is often needed. Close to the arcade zone for quick top-ups before games. This ensures maximum usage and visibility without blocking customer flow. Maintenance and uptime. Nothing kills momentum faster than an ATM that's out of service or out of cash. Look for providers who offer 24/7 remote monitoring, constantly tracking cash levels and operational status to prevent downtime. Scheduled cash replenishment, avoiding empty machines during peak hours or events. Rapid response technical support, to fix any glitches quickly and minimize disruption. Security. With cash machines, security is paramount. Good providers help ensure your ATM complies with industry security standards, including surveillance and physical security measures. Simplicity. The best ATM partnerships operate on a plug-and-play model. They handle installation, insurance, compliance, and upkeep. You simply enjoy the revenue without the headaches. By making the ATM a hassle-free asset, you can focus on what matters most: delivering a fun, memorable experience for your guests. Bonus section: real-life success stories. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what some bowling alley owners have to say about the impact of installing ATMs. Since adding the ATM near our arcade, we've seen a 25% uptick in token sales and longer average customer visits. Our snack bar revenue grew noticeably because customers no longer hesitate to buy more when they know cash is just steps away. The installation process was seamless, and the provider handles everything. It's been a great passive income source. These real-world examples underscore how a simple cash machine can transform your business dynamics. So, let's recap. Bowling alleys thrive on cash for games, snacks, and tipping. An on-site ATM guarantees customers never run out of cash, encouraging more play, more purchases, and longer visits. It supports multi-generational spending habits, seamlessly integrates with your operations, and generates steady additional revenue with minimal effort on your part. If you want to unlock these benefits for your bowling alley, don't wait. Contact us today for a free location analysis and profitability assessment. We'll help you identify the best spots for ATM placement and forecast your potential earnings, all tailored to your unique business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a business-boosting tip. Until next time, keep those strikes coming, both on the lanes and in your profits. Click the link in description for our website.